Well, good morning. Hot beverage. How's everybody doing today? Welcome to Rob G Walk and Talk. Let's do a EDC pocket check real quick. Get rolling. The Broken Pebble of Destiny. Different Olight today. Not sure which model this is. Here we go. Lumen top. It's a good one. And we're giving the Zippo a break. Gift for my daughter. And of course, on the other side, we got this fellow here going through its paces, being tested as an EDC. Separate video on this one. Today, just real quick, I wanted to talk about this. Now, I've said before in this channel, I don't have a lot of safe queens, and of course there's an exception to every rule. Now, here's one that's not going to be carried anytime soon. This is a Case Mini Trapper. Now, I'm not real good with case dates, so I think this is from 1982. I hope I got that right. Hoping the detail on this handle comes out in the light here. I'm not sure if I'm getting this or not, but it really is a beautiful handle. Really nice variations in the color. Stainless, half stops. There we go. I think that's 1982. Beautiful thin blades. Again, beautiful. Nice action. There's pattern number right here. Another really nice spay blade. And the thing I like the best about this particular knife is look at that beautiful file work on the back. If I were a wealthier man, I'd EDC this. But it sits in its little box, safely tucked away. Let's do a quick weight check on this. $77.9 grams. 2.7 ounces for a knife that will never be carried in a pocket, likely. But beautifully made. Nice little piece from Case. Anyway, just thought it would be fun to share today. Like, subscribe, all that stuff. Have a great day, guys.